Number 4, Mycoplasma hypopneumoniae. I like to call this one the quiet thief because it doesn't kill pigs dramatically, it just steals feed efficiency and daily gain week after week, and nobody notices until market day. What you see, a chronic, dry, non-productive cough, not a wet cough, and it shows up best when pigs are disturbed or moved. So walk through the barn, startle them, and listen. That's your field's diagnostic. Count cough events over 5 minutes in a pen. That's your coughing index. Pigs look fine individually, but the group grows unevenly and you get a wide weight range at market. Poor feed conversion. And at slaughter, cranioventral consolidation, that hepatized liver-like lung tissue. What it is. Mycoplasma destroys the cilia lining the airways. It knocks out the mucociliary escalator, which is the lungs' conveyor belt for clearing debris and pathogens. Once that's gone, everything else moves in. Pasteurella multocida, APP, Strep suis, Glasarella. That combination is what we call PRDC. Porcine respiratory disease complex. Mycoplasma opens the door. PRRS V, flu, APP, and Pasteurella walk right through it. The numbers. It's the most common cause of respiratory disease in U.S. herds. Seroprevalence above 80% in most commercial finishing herds, and 15 to 20% reduction in average daily gain in affected pigs. Now, here's the exam question you will absolutely be asked. Mycoplasma has no cell wall, so beta-lactams and sulfonamides do nothing. Nothing. Reach for tetracyclines, macrolides like tylosin or tulathromycin, or pleuromutilins like tiamulin. Group treat through water or feed when more than 10% of pigs are showing signs. Prevention. Commercial inactivated bacterins, typically a 2-dose series in piglets. That significantly reduces lesions and coughing, but understand it reduces disease, it does not prevent infection. And all in, all out flow dramatically cuts disease pressure. Coughing index over threshold plus uneven growth equals mycoplasma until proven otherwise. Vaccinate every pig. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share for more.